Question 1. What does small mean? Question 2. What does cold mean? Question 3. What does run mean? Question 4. What does eat mean? Question 5. What does open mean? Question 6. What does close mean? Question 7. What does happy mean? Question 8. What does sad mean? Question 9. What does early mean? Question 10. What does easy mean? Question 11. What does discover mean? Question 12. What does borrow mean? Question 13. What does polite mean? Question 14. What does accurate mean? Question 15. What does reduce mean? Question 16. What does journey mean? Question 17. What does avoid mean? Question 18. What does prepare mean? Question 20. What does sentence mean? Question 21. What does significant mean? Question 22. What does efficient mean? Question 23. What does complicated mean? Question 24. What does opportunity mean? Question 25. What does contribute mean?